only happens a few times a season. We travel to distant mountain ranges for it. We'll drive and hike and ski hours-long approaches to get to it. Alpine starts, dedication, sacrifice. We may climb for weeks and never get it.
When you get a perfect stick, it creates this feeling that just feeds back through you.
That moment lasts maybe 1 or 2 heartbeats. It's our closest connection to the ice. Sometimes the energy is so real that your partner can feel it through the rope. We have about $3,000 in gear just to find that one moment. We climb for this moment.